Day one, what do you want from today?
I mean, it's a brand new line. The whole reason why we waited to launch it for September this year, 2025, is for the Texas Woodworking Show. We want to make sure that people know that, hey, this is a new option out there in the market. StoneCoat's never done a real woodworking line. This is our time to show it, and I think it's the right crowd to share it with.
I think the product's going to be really well received. Bringing out a full woodworking system, this has been a long time coming. We've been behind the scenes with them talking about this, and I'm definitely a little overwhelmed, but very excited.